Good day, my name is Kamil Butler. We are here at the International Association of Machinists and Aerospace Workers Training Center in Hollywood, Maryland. We are speaking with Ingo Marowski, an ITF youth officer. So, Ingo, could you tell us something about the summer school, what actually the summer school is?
Hi, good morning, Camille. Yeah, the summer school we bring together every 2 years for young transport workers from around the world, and we intend to build new leaders for the unions involved in participating.
Okay, so we have people from all around the world, and we have a really intensive and ambitious program. So, did you had any expectations before we started this ITF summer school here?
Yeah, I tend to have crazy expectations for events like this, way too much and way too big usually, but the participants were just great and exceeded my expectations by far.
So, since we only have 1 day left, do you have any conclusions about this edition of the summer school?
Yes, 1 week is too short.
Okay, thank you very much. That was Ingo Marowski, the ITF youth officer, and my name is Kamil Butler, reporting from Hollywood, Maryland. Thank you.